5. Now, Microsoft, through the company's Africa Transformation Office, that is ATO, has unveiled an initiative that will accelerate advancements in artificial intelligence and foster collaboration between startups and industry leaders. Now, the initiative will also mark the launch of Microsoft's strategic collaboration with NVIDIA, which is aimed at accelerating AI startup development in Africa.
AI and how we are leveraging it is we have this era where somebody has innovated a refrigerator and we have people who need to come up with the drinks that actually go into the refrigerator. So that creates a platform that I think existed some 20, 30 years ago on the onset of the internet, because we can literally create products that can go global very fast.
What we're seeing in Kenya and in Africa is a lot of technology-enabled businesses. And for entrepreneurs and founders, what happens is when you're starting off your company or you're starting off your venture, especially if it's a technology-based company, you see how you can host your infrastructure, how you can sort of leverage off other types of technology. And this is where Microsoft is coming for us.
We see and believe that AI could be a good technology to actually allow Africa to leapfrog some of the challenges they're facing, or rather those challenges are actually opportunities for startups like Zendawa and Price and PesaWise to actually solve some of those problems while creating businesses